Hi everyone, can you solve this exponential equation? 5 power t times 5 power t is equal to 200. Find the value of t. Let's start the solution of this question. We have 5 power t times 5 power t is equal to 200. As on the left hand side bases are same, so the power will add up. 5 power t plus t 2t is equal to 200. Now we will take logarithm on both sides of the equation. Log of 5 power 2t is equal to log of 200. As we know that log of m power n is equal to n times log of m. Power rule of log will apply on the left hand side of the equation. So it will be 2t log of 5 is equal to log of 200. Now 2t log of 5 is equal to log of, we can write 200 as 25 times 8. We know that log of m times n is equal to log of m plus log of n. So equation now becomes 2t log of 5 equal to log of 25 plus log of 8. Now we will divide both sides of the equation by this log 5. 2t log of 5 over log of 5 is equal to log of 25 by log of 5 plus log of 8 divided by log of 5. Log 5 cancels log 5. We get 2t is equal to log of 25 can be written as 5 square divided by log of 5 plus log of 8 divided by log of 5. We will apply the power rule of log here. Equation now becomes 2t is equal to 2 log of 5 divided by log of 5 plus log of 8 by log of 5. Cancel log 5 with log 5. We get 2t equal to 2 plus log of 8 over log of 5. Here we will use a formula. Log of m divided by log of n is equal to log of m the base n. So equation now becomes 2t is equal to 2 plus log of 8 the base 5. This 2 we will divide on both sides of the equation. 2t by t, 2 by 2 plus 1 by 2 log of 8 the base 5. 2 cancel with 2, 2 cancel with 2. So we have t is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 log of 8 to the base 5. This is the final answer of t. Now we will check this value of t by putting this value back in our given equation. 5t times 5t equal 200, or we write this as 5 power 2t equals 200. Now we'll put this value of t here in this exponent. 5 power 2 1 plus 1 by 2 log of 8 with the base 5 equals 200. We will multiply these two inside the bracket. 5 power 2 plus 2 cancel with 2 log of 8 with the base 5 equals 200. Now we know that a power m plus n is equal to a power m times a power n. So it will be 5 square times 5 power log of 8 with the base 5, 200. We will apply a formula on this term. A power log of b with the base a always equals to b. So it will be 5 square 25 times b is 8. So 200 equals to 200. Left hand side equal right hand side, and this is the means that value of t 1 plus 1 by 2 log of 8 to the base 5 is correct, and this is final answer. And I hope you understand this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification of my new daily videos. Thank you for watching.